10,000 tick second entry.
Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. I'm glad that you guys can join us today. Good morning, guys. And unfortunately, today is Friday. That means we have the weekend coming up. That means more time away from you guys. But hey, pandas, we got to enjoy the weekends too. We got to do things other than trading. Sadly, yes, we do. But hopefully, whatever you guys do over the weekends regains, right? Rebuilds, replenishes your mental capital. Let me say good morning to a couple of you guys. Carl Ties just become a member. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, my pandas. Thanks, guys, for reminding others to join the member stream. Oliver Kaiser, I'm not sure why you're having trouble finding the member stream. If you're like on an iPad, then maybe try to watch on a desktop. If you still can't find a desktop, then I'm not sure. You probably have to message YouTube, because there's nothing we can do for you to see the member stream. There's nothing like that I am doing to you personally to make you not be able to see it. So, but anyways, you can always go back and see the rewinds. But Don Simmons, thank you for becoming a panda. Enjoy your green name. Enjoy your two-legged pullback badge as it forms over time. Enjoy your panda emoticons. Hey, pandas, give Don Simmons a nice warm welcome. And also enjoy the pre-market show where we go over all my off-stream trades and go over all my account balances. And so it's a place where I can be a little more vulnerable with you guys, because I know you guys are supportive. All my pandas are supportive. And yeah, so I feel way more comfortable sharing with the pandas, the paying members, just what we're trying to do on the stream. And so it's nothing more than really following me on my journey, seeing all my streams or all my trades off stream. It's nothing more than just a little tighter community, a place where we can be a little more vulnerable, a place where people who want to follow me on my journey a little more closely. And so, it's for you guys, so it's a little privileged information that I want to give my members, because they're so supportive, and I really do appreciate that. So pandas, my pandas, welcome to the stream. Make sure you guys fill that poll. Let me know what kind of day you think it's going to be. I'm going to close it at 9:25. Still, throat is a little scratchy. It's still recovering. But yeah, it is confirmed. I did get tested. I actually did. I'm 100% positive. COVID positive. And yeah, so definitely recovering from that, and little scratchy throat, but still Greg Schultz, thanks for becoming panda. Do appreciate it. So I'm up 687, and on the pre-market show, I go over my off-stream trades. So technically, that's an off-stream. My trades I take during the pre-market are off-stream, so that's available for the members. So if you want to know how I made 687 this morning, you guys can check out the members video, the pre-market show. Kirk Reed, SW Blaze, Greg Schultz. Enjoy your green name. Enjoy your two-legged pullback badge as it forms over time. Enjoy your panda emoticons. Enjoy the pre-market show. Access to the pre-market show. Hey guys, give Greg Schultz a nice warm welcome here. Pandas, what do we have here? Let's do some pre-market analysis. We have a strong move down, bouncing off the 240 SMA on an L4 setup right here. You see with the magenta box, L4 reversal. Very strong reversal setup, bouncing off of here, coming back down, and this has just been a strong downtrend, and breakup trend to new low, and new low actually has a reversal pattern right here. I was in the pre-market show. I was about to take this trade, and I just held off because it was under the 20 MA. But What is this red line, pandas? What is this red line? This red line, I still have it marked, but it's the measure move of this this big bear bar. That's what this red line is. It might be coming back down to it. We do have a two-legged pullback here forming. I'm not going to take this two-legged pullback, actually. I'll probably take the reversal of this two-legged pullback, because I think we're still in a strong downtrend. But it's above the 20 MA. It's a higher low. Second entry. Long. It makes a perfect scalp. It looks like it's making an absolute scalp. Makes an absolute scalp. Sitting on our pause. Again, main reason is because we're trying to trade into an H4 setup. Sorry, L4 setup. So I don't like that. Don't like that one bit. We do have the 2 times risk reward on this one bar, reversal bar. So that swing is done. And there are traders here running right now. And I know they're running because there's a gap between these lows and this high. So that means the bulls are pretty strong, right? We couldn't come back down to take out this gap, but we'll see. So that's exactly what's happening here. This is why you see people taking profits right there. Nino Green, email support. They'll help you out. Any questions about the indicator? Email support. World-class support. But once you get access, once you get members to access to the members tab in the website, you can go to the community tab, and there you get information about the Discord. Just sitting on my pause here, we have a two-legged pullback coming the other way, essentially forming a small little triangle right here, little teeny bitty triangle. Still above the 20 MA, so I'm not looking to go short here, pandas. Jesse Cole asks, could you explain what L4 setup is? If you look at the frequently asked questions tab or link in the description, there is details about the L4. Also, there's a video on my channel where I make an automated strategy using the two-legged pullback indicator. So the two-legged pullback indicator you can use for automated trading, and I used it to trade every single L4 H4 setup, and the results were remarkable. Alright, it's getting choppy here, pandas. Still above the 20 MA though. And the market's about to open, and it might just be like this until the market opens. Trying to figure out which direction we're going to go. I don't know. We might go down. We might go down. We might have a trading range day today. Who knows? All I know is that this downtrend was massive. The daily, right? Big bear bar with follow through. Big bear bar with follow through means typically more room to go down. But you know you'll take this second entry long once it happens for at least 10-point scalp. Right, we have a second entry long forming on the daily chart. Super choppy, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 overlapping bars in a row. And pandas, the thing is, I already got my bamboo today. Yesterday I was getting whiplashed. I was to say that if you joined the stream yesterday for the first time, you guys saw a red panda. Like, I got whiplashed back and forth on setups that I thought were decent. Little risky, but I felt like it was worth it because of the potential risk reward. And I just got whiplashed real bad yesterday. And not until the market cycle was clear, like the clear downtrend, I started making money. But I was negative 1,300 on stream, but ended the day green at the end because I stuck to the plan. So Bo Palmas, do members get access to the Discord? You don't. I might set up something for you guys if you want to join the Discord, just for the Discord, because I know not all of you guys trade NinjaTrader. Also, not all of you guys particularly like you know, trading two-legged pullbacks. So you have no reason to buy the indicator. But you guys still want access to the Discord. The thing is, like, if you get access to Discord, you might not like it because all our trading comes from two-legged pullbacks, right? We all look at the same charts. We all look at the same setups. Market just opened, pandas, and let's wait a little bit. Let's let this clear up a little bit. Very hard to tell what's happening here, so let's let it clear up a little bit. We have this triangle still going, and so you might be a little, you know, if you don't trade a two-legged pullback, it might not be that useful to you because that's all we're doing. We're all looking at the same setups, same trades. I would say this is break of trend to new high here, and I'm looking for one more leg up, pandas. One more leg up. One more leg up. Not looking to go short there. One more leg up, and then I'll plan to go short here. Plan to go short after one more leg up. And boom, reverses on me. Doesn't give me my one more leg up, unfortunately. Failed breakout. I'm still gonna take the short here, pandas. We're gonna take the short here. Attach it to the indicator now. Big push up, terrible signal bar. But I'm looking to go short now. Thinking this uptrend is over, right? Because break a trend to new high. A failed breakout of this triangle. Okay. Sheesh. See if we can get this point here. Could be reversing on me. Looks like it's about to get me here, unfortunately. But just keeping my stop loss just to where it should be. And if it gets me, it gets me. We move on to the next trade, pandas. I thought we can have one more push down. I thought the uptrend was over. 20 EMA might have been too strong here. And we might get one more push up, stopping me out here. It's all good, pandas. Inside bar. It's gonna stop me out. Don't do it. Just watching. It gets me. Pandas. Maybe a little too eager to go short there. It was a good signal bar too, but it just got me, unfortunately. Unfortunately, man, 20 EMA. A little too choppy, maybe. I thought we were going to come back down to the bottom of the trading range with that failed breakout. But, man, also, again, red. We'll start at red. I mean, I had my bamboo already, but that was a decent trade. Still confused. Still not sure what's happening. It's a spike in channel now. It's a very sloppy spike in channel at the moment. I can't even draw this spike in channel because it's so sloppy looking. Pandas, my first trade. Took a hit. It's all good, pandas. We stick to the plan. Too much congestion. You're right. That might have been a little too much congestion there. I was a little too premature, I think, with that trade. But it is really congested. I should not have taken that trade. Big bar up, big bar down. And I really thought we were going to come back down to the bottom of the trading range here. But unfortunately, we didn't. Pandas, my pandas. Wow, look at this. Look how choppy this is. Alright. There it is. Now it's breaking down. Now it's breaking down. That's what I wanted to see earlier. Happened after it stops me out. It's all good, pandas. Move on to the next trade. Unfortunately, it happens after, right? It stops me out right here. It stops me out and then reverses and finally gets it. It stops me out by 2 ticks. Unfortunately, Pandas, there's no other way to really handle that trade. That's just how you handle it. You take the hit and you move on. You move on to the next trade. And we're clearly above the 20 MA, so I didn't want to fight that. And at this point, I don't know. I'm thinking you're making a new high here. Trying to make a new high of some sorts. Just watching. Just watching. Just watching. Just watching. You actually still want a new high here. So trying to go short could be tricky. Could be tricky.
$10,000 tick second entry.
Still wants that new high. Right? Got that new high. Double top. There it is. There's our new high. That's what we want to see. Now we're kind of free game to go short. But could be reversal, right? We have a head and shoulders forming here. Our head and shoulders. Right? New low. Right? You gotta think of this big trend, new low. This is an uptrend now. And the thing is, this needs to be two legs, Pandas. We need one more leg up here before even thinking about reversing this. Strong push up. I'm going to trade a 10K tick. We have a two-legged pullback on the 10,000 tick chart. I will take this trade. I'm looking to go short here on the 10,000 tick chart. And all that was on the 2K looks like a lot of price action, but all that was a two-legged pullback on the 10K chart here. Off the 20 MA. There's our second push up. Trying to get a two-legged pullback on the 10K tick. Signal bar is not looking too hot for me. Signal bar is pretty bad right now on the 10K tick. Hard to go short against a bar like that, to be honest. I would have to take a trap trade on this. I'm still waiting for my setup. This looks like it's gonna push higher. That is unusual, right? Not unusual, but what we should have had here is a reversal pattern. Instead, we get a failed reversal, right? That's a failed reversal, and it's pushing up very hard now. So you're thinking strong uptrend right now. Strong uptrend, you're thinking uptrend right now, and that's all you're thinking about. Especially on a breakout like this, absolutely incredible move right now. Absolutely incredible move, very volatile. That's a good sign. I think we're gonna get our bamboo back real quick, Pandas. Can't short against this. You cannot short against a breakout this strong. You cannot short this. And if you wanted to, I mean, be my guest, but you know, thoughts and prayers to you if you're gonna short that. Just watching. Waiting for our setup. We'll need some good evidence that we're reversing if we're going to take a reversal. We might recover we might just simply recover this entire down leg. We can easily do that right now. I've seen incredible things happen on this chart. I'll tell you that much. I've seen incredible things happen on this chart. And you know, those who wanted to reverse that, you got your scalp. You got your scalp right there. I'm curious what's gonna happen today. I'm still thinking we're in an uptrend. Let's draw trend lines here. I mean, what we do have right now, though, pandas, is a break of trend. We have a break of trend, right? The new high, and this new high has a trap with it. Very, very interesting. Second entry is actually a really good signal bar on the 10K chart, but context is not good, in my opinion. We're clearly above the 20 MA on the 10K chart, right? Second entry short, but I'm going to sit on my pause there because we're clearly above the 20, clearly in an uptrend at the moment, in my opinion. I'm actually looking for a two-legged pullback to go long, pandas. If we can get it. I'll take it off the 20 MA. The market gives us the setup. If the market is strong, right? Strong trend, then usually the first entries is all you get. You don't even get second entries. You only get first entries. You get only one pullback. So the first pullback, first entry. Second pullback, second entry. Basically, the entry is, the count of the entry is how many pullbacks there are. So there's only one pullback here. So this is the first entry. That's why this color is light green instead of dark green. If it's a second entry, right, with two pullbacks, then that will be a dark green number. Which hopefully we can get, but pandas, like I said, if it's a strong uptrend, first entries break, reset the count, we don't even get our second entry. We don't even get our opportunity to go too long here. It's too strong. I want to entry here, pandas, but the market's not giving us anything. You can only take what the market gives you, and we're not getting anything right now.
10,000 tick second entry.
The second entry on the 10,000 tick is also still there, right? With a failed breakout this time, but notice when it'll trigger, it's pretty much triggering around the 20 EMA on the 2,000 tick. The 10K does trigger, and it makes a scalp on the 10K chart. Still thinking strong uptrend. Unless we start trading beneath the 20 MA, which we might start doing, but no setups for us, pandas. We're just watching this. Pandas, my pandas. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Turn this red panda to green. Let's get it, baby. Let's go, baby. Just watching this, pandas. No setups for us. Bouncing off the 240 SMA on the 2K chart. Interesting. Do I want to go long into the 240 SMA? Huh. Maybe with a decent signal bar. But we're under the 20 MA. Can't go long here. Unless we get a really good signal bar here. Signal bar is not that good. It is a two-legged pullback and an uptrend. Sitting on my pause here because we're under the 20 MA right now. Bouncing off the 240 SMA. Right, we made 4 pushes up. Thinking potential reversal spot here. But I gotta let the setup come to me, pandas. I cannot take this unless the setup comes to me. It needs to break above the previous candle's high in order for me to take a short here. Unfortunately, looks like I'm not gonna get my setup. But it is what it is, pandas. You only take what the market gives you. And if it doesn't give you your setup, then right, just move on. Move on to the next. Ends up scalping out on a two-legged pullback underneath the 20 MA. After 4 pushes up and off the bounce off 240 SMA. I'm not taking that long, pandas. Terrible signal bar underneath the 20 MA. I'm not taking that long. I'm not taking it. Even if it scalps out, that does not mean that's a good setup. That's a pretty bad setup if you took that long. This could be a breaker trend. Looking for a new high now here. Just watching. Now we have a moving average gap, right? We broke beneath the 20 EMA. Looking for another new high here, or maybe an attempt of a new high, right? Double top. I need 2 pushes up regardless. I need 2 pushes up here. I need an ABC pattern. And I potentially might go short, actually. I may try to reverse this. Depends on how eager I am. If it's a good signal bar, I might reverse it up at the peak after the 2-legged pullback with the new high. We'll see, though. Need to take whatever the market gives me, and the market's giving me nothing. Gives me nothing. There's nothing here. There it is. There's my second leg up. Looks like a strong uptrend, pandas, right now. Alright. You win. I'll try. I'll try here again. Give me a good signal bar and I'll try it. Let's try. Trying to get a scalp here. Hopefully a runner of some sorts, but we shall see. If this reverses on me, I might go long here. Maybe I should reverse that trade. I'm sitting on my pause. I'm sitting on my pause here. Might be trying to counter trend trade here, which obviously seems like it's gonna happen. Oh, pandas. Not again. 2 losses in a row. Dumb trade. Dumb trade. I'll admit it. I'll admit it. That was a dumb trade. I got it. That was a dumb trade. Bad trade. Moving on. Moving on. Bad trade right there. Bad trade. I'll admit it. I'll take that one. I'll take that one. It's all good, pandas. Bad trade. I got it. I got it. All right. I got it. Okay. I see. I see. I see. It was a bad trade. I admit it. I admit it. Panda knows when he's wrong. Just watching here. I was thinking about reversing that. Maybe I should have, but I didn't like the 240 SMA. I didn't like the 204 SMA. I didn't like how we were coming up to it. Made a decent signal bar. But another push up, I think, shows the strength of this uptrend here right now. Maybe one more push up before it goes the direction I want it to go. Still clearly uptrend, but breaker trend to new high. I might try it again. I might try to reverse this again, pandas. But this is a pretty strong uptrend. You can see there's gaps everywhere.
10,000
right?
tick second entry.
You can see that there's a gap here. From this breakout. Actually, this is the breakout here. From this breakout to here, there's a gap. From this breakout here, you can even say here, and this pivot low, there's a gap. Right? There's gaps right here. Maybe I'll use squares to show the gaps a little bit better. That is not a square. So you have a gap here. Right, this gap showing the strength of the bulls. Gap here showing the strength of the bulls. From this low to this high, right? The breakout, and then after the breakout, you should have a pullback, but the pullback's not even strong enough to come and fill this gap here. So those are gaps here, giving us good signs that this is a strong bull trend. And I try to counter trend it. Bad panda, bad panda. Just watching this.
$10,000 second entry.
One more push up. I guess I have to take this trap trade. If it traps, I'm going to take it. I'm going to take a reversal trade here. If this traps, I'm going to take it. And it doesn't trap. It scalps out so quick. Underneath the 20 MA again. I don't know. I can't. Underneath the 20 MA. Potential reversal set up here. I'll take it. I'll try. Let's try. The double bottom here. That gap not being filled. We're going to try to reverse this here. See what happens. If it has follow through, getting rid of this. Terrible signal bar now. Now follow through. No reason to go short there. Looking to go long if I can now. If we can get a small pullback here, I doubt it'll give it to me. It's another second entry long. That's all it is. Higher low second entry long, I'll be interested. Higher low second entry long, I'll be interested. Unfortunately, it gives me just a micro double bottom instead. And I'll probably just scalp it out. I'm not planning to hold on to it for very long. I need to get my bearings back. Okay, I admit, that was a dumb trade. That was a dumb trade. This was a trade in congestion. 2 bad trades today, and I deserve to be red right now. I deserve it, in my opinion. But the nice thing is, pandas, this is risk-free trading. And with risk-free trading, it's, you know, you might be red today, but hey, it's not your money. Oh, it's a strong uptrend. But now we're hitting yesterday's low, making some sort of double top, lower high double top. This gap is still here, pandas. Absolutely incredible. This gap, double bottom on that gap. Interesting. Still pretty strong uptrend, in my opinion. But it's just like, it's hard for me to go long when it's beneath the 20 MA like this. Like, automatically when we go beneath the 20 MA, my mind is like, okay, look for a trap here. We're looking for a trap now. Especially when it have all these breaker trends and new highs. My mind just straight up goes to trap. Just gets ready for the trap trade. Just watching. Let me get a second entry long here, pandas. This one's above the 20 MA. Makes a double top. Failed 1, 2, 3 failed breakouts of yesterday's low. But this is all the market's gonna give me to go long now. Shall we dance? I don't want an outside bar reversal. I want a decent signal bar. Decent signal bar to go long. We're going to just scalp out here and get our bearings back. If we can even get that. Get the perfect scalp. It's reversing on me. Perfect scalp. It bounces away from me. If it hits me again, pandas, I really got to just sit on my paws. I'm just getting torn up. Let's go, baby. All right, we got one trade here. We got one trade in the bag. So we get our 4 points here. I'll take my 4 points. Let's go, baby. We got some of our money back. Let's go, baby. Easy peasy, easy money. You know, I'm just trading with the trend. You know, that's what happens when you trade with the trend. You make money. Trade with the trend, pandas. Trade with the trend. Got a spiking channel here. We're trying to track this spiking channel. We're still getting these like gaps here, pandas. We're still getting these gaps here. Not really filling. This one fills like perfectly actually. Comes back down. It actually is to the tick. Fills the gap. Could have held that runner a little bit, but I just wanted some profits. Wanted to get my bearings back. Got 2 hits in a row, so you know, hopefully, I hope you guys understand. I need to just get a win to get my mojo back, get my juju back. But you know, we stick with the plan. Actually, nice runner still here. When you're this far up, you're just wondering, would it really run here? And now we have another gap forming, right? Whatever from this high. And wherever this pivot low is going to be is another gap. All of these gaps here showing us the strength of this bull trend. Essentially recovering this entire drop overnight. Absolutely incredible. And what does that look like on the daily? Ends up just becoming a nice signal bar for that second entry long here. But we'll see. We do have a potential L4 setup here. On yesterday's close. I may reverse this, pandas. If we get an L4 on yesterday's close, I may be crazy enough to reverse it. We do have an L4, and I'm going to try to swing this because of the potential risk reward. Off yesterday's close, we're going to see if this is a spot of reversal here, and we'll take the hit. I'll take the hit here. But I'm going to swing this trade, at least 2 times risk reward on the main position, and then try to run the runner. So we're in this trade. We're going to try to get 2 times risk reward here. It's actually to this gap here. If we get it, we get it. If we don't, we don't. We move on. It's a small risk, in my opinion, for potential good reward here. And the strength of the bull trend is just too strong. It's too strong. It got me out. It's all good, pandas. I thought that was worth it. And it might come back down and do it again.
Second entry.
Pandas. I gotta try that again. I gotta try that again, pandas. It's a bit silly, but I gotta try it again. I gotta try it again. 2 times risk reward again. It's a bit silly, I know, but I'm gonna try it again. If it gets me, it gets me. I think my premise is still good here, but just going to take the hit again. Because I think the premise is good, and I think the risk reward is good, I'm going to take this again. If I get hit, I get hit. We move on. But I like the setup here. I like the fact that that was a failed, right, reversal attempt right there again, right? That's a failed reversal attempt. So we're going to hold on to this one a little bit. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hits in a row though right here. Could be hard to break down. Just watching, just watching. And I let this hit me, and I move on. If it hits me, it hits me. Just watching. It probably will hit me. But I like the potential here. That's why I take this trade. And if I get hit, I get hit. Maybe I should have gone in twice. If I got hit once, I just leave it alone. Not take it the second time. Basically got double hit here. Bandas. I need life support. Getting owned today. Why am I trying to keep counter trend trade this? Oh, pandas. Oh my gosh. Pandas. My pandas. Pandas. This market is vicious. Absolutely vicious. Stops me out. It comes crashing down. Oh boy. That's the name of the game, pandas. Market is vicious. Truly vicious here. Truly vicious. Man. Pandas. The market has absolutely heartless. It just wants to come out to kill the pandas. We're even more red than yesterday. It finally hits my target. Hits my target after it wanted to stop me out one more time. Then hits my target. I love trading, pandas. I love trading. I love it. It's the greatest thing in the world. I mean, think about it. Who wouldn't love to get stopped out and then for the market to hit your original target? Who wouldn't love that? Seriously, that it's like the funnest thing you can possibly do. Pandas. Hey, make sure you guys scalp that like button. It's trying to call that top. Tricky. Man, oh man. It's all good, pandas. All good. All good here. I guess it could have been worse. I don't know how it could be, but it could have been worse. I could have lost more money somehow. I don't know. Man. Market is vicious place. Vicious place. I'm looking to go short here, pandas, but I need a good setup. Pandas. It's just again. Wow. Man, those feels. All right. Shake it off. Let's shake it off. Let's go, baby. Let's see here. I'm not gonna take this long here. It is off my trend line though. Spiking channel, right? We have the spiking channel on the bottom of the channel, the spiking channel. Sit on my pause. Wait for a setup. Yo, pandas, throw a 1 in the chat if you're green today. Give me a 2 in the chat if you're red. Give me a 3 if you have not taken a trade yet. I want to know your guys' statuses right now. Hopefully you guys are doing better than me. Hopefully. Pandas, if you're joining again, welcome to my stream where you can see a panda lose money every single day. 2 bad setups. 1 risky setup. And I got burned all 3 times. So I'm 1 in 3 right now. Similar stats to yesterday. Bouncing off yesterday's close like that makes me think we could be in a downtrend right now, but I gotta wait for a good. I need a good entry here. You need good setup. You guys are killing it. It's pandas, you guys are killing it. So man, at least you guys are making money. I'll be right back. Down 1,700, but Panda, that's nothing. That is nothing. Truly nothing. Stick to the plan. That's what I say. Okay, so this channel is proving to be pretty strong. We do have the first break of it. Potentially looking for a double top here. We shall see. The Patriot was down 2K, but came back to positive 900. Let's go, baby. Roberto Aku. Thanks for becoming a panda. Do appreciate your support. Enjoy your green name. Enjoy your two-legged pullback badges and forms over time. Enjoy your panda emoticons. Pandas. Give Roberto a nice warm welcome here. Am I looking to go short? I'm not. Not with a bounce like that, off of the trend line. Fail breakdown. Oh man, pandas. Welcome to the stream where you can see me lose money every single day. Let's go. Even 2x is this bar here, this risk reward. Sheesh. Boy, I would say today's trades were pretty bad. I took a dummy trade here. Dummy trade. This one, yeah, I don't know. That's like 50-50. But missed a couple good setups here. Even this trap, maybe even reversing that trade would have been good. That one was a risky trade. I like the risk reward there, but risky trade. I took it twice, which is the painful part. Oh man, took it twice. That means I lost 4 trades actually. I'm 1-4 right now. Ooh, big pain, big pain. Not looking to go short here. I'm not looking to go short. YouTube Kitchker asks, how do you access 2000 tick chart? Your platform might not support it. Depends on the platform. I'm not sure if TradingView has it, but we're using NinjaTrader here. Daniel took 3 terrible trades and down only 50. You must be trading micros. I had 4 bad trades. I'm down 1,700. Attempting to make a new high right now. Attempting to do so. Will it get there? Unsure. All I know, we're above the 20 MA and we're sitting on our pause right now. We bounced off yesterday's close. Could be a good reversal spot. And I'm not trying to go short here above the 20 MA like this. Maybe take this trap to go long. No more trap. No long trade.
10,000 tick second entry.
2 pushes up here. The 10,000 tick is showing us a nice second entry here. Still above the 20 MA. Sitting on my pause. Getting a little bit choppy now. Oh man, but pandas today, I admit it, I took some pretty stinky trades. Yeah, they were not good. They're not good. They were just not good trades. I'll take it. You know what? I'll admit it. I admit it. Panda gotta admit when he's wrong. I took some pretty bad trades today. Definitely counter trend trade. This one here, really strong uptrend. Even I was mentioning all these gaps not being filled. Even then, I still try to go short. Bit silly to do that, right? When you're doing the analysis and during your analysis you're saying this is super strong uptrend. Hey, let me go short here. Like it does. I must be sick still or something. I don't know. Or just a terrible trader. Who knows? Let's go back to trading my bamboo. Let's see here though. Got another push up here. I'm curious what's gonna happen here. It looks a little bit choppy now. And it doesn't. It looks like it wants to go up. It looks like it wants to make that new high. Attempt it at least. A little more valiant attempt. There it is. Bottom of the trading range to the top of the trading range. That's what's happening right now. We might be converting into a trading range right now, but still higher lows. Now we'll see if we make a higher high. If we're not, then we're making a triangle. Tempting to make another new high. Might double top here on yesterday's close. Rejection off the top of the trading range. Yesterday's close might be where we end up today. Who knows? Interesting. Interesting bar that's just formed there. I'm not going to take the short here because it might push up one more time. Might give us one more push up. Does break down here. Just gonna sit on my pause. The risk is too large now. Does make the scalp. Pushes down back to the 20 MA.
10,000 tick second entry.
It's a bit confusing for me. I'm just sitting on my pause. Man, it's the fact that this got me twice. That's what's annoying. It's all good though. There's like nothing I could have done about that in terms of it stopping me out. There's no management that I would have done differently. But it is what it is. We're having a hard time pushing up now. Still making higher lows though. So, still an uptrend. But it's created another spiking channel. Right? We're making all these spiking channels here. And let's see if there's gaps, right? Gap here right now, from here to this high. Peter Cho, thanks for joining us. Speedy Boy asks, I have a question about Apex evaluation. Once I have above the target requirement, which is 3,000 on my account, can I only trade micros for low risk to just pass the 10 days of the process? Yes, you can. Exactly. That's exactly what you should be doing. Just trade micros. I literally one contract in the micros, you're in and out. It's minus like $1.25, and that's all you do. You just keep doing that until your 10 days. Hopefully that won't push you underneath the goal.
10,000 tick second entry.
All right. I'll take you. Okay, bye. Second entry, triggered too quick. I was gonna take it on a 10K. It's too quick for me. Still clearly above the 20 EMA on the 10K tick chart, right? I don't mess, it's hard to go short against that, right? 5 minute, where are we in the 5 minute? 5 minute broke above the 20 EMA with some follow through here. Creating a triangle at the moment. Makes a perfect scalp right there. I was thinking about going long right there, but it felt like it was getting a little choppy. I don't know. Maybe I'll go short here. Nope, terrible signal bar. But the short does make a scalp. I wish the signal bar wasn't so bad. I would have considered that because I feel like we bounced the top of the trading range and we just want to come back to the bottom of the trading range. That should be our target here. Could be choppy the rest of the day, which is unfortunate because I'm like red and I want more opportunities. But if it's choppy, hard to find good trades. It's almost better just to step away, come back when there's a little more movement. Some may consider this a failed second entry short to go long here, but it actually scalps out. So for me, I don't consider this a trap, but some may consider it a failure. I mean, I think technically it's still a failure because we couldn't break the previous pivot low, so we're still within, right, this uptrend. And the thing is, Pan, is like with this one trade, I could have made up for all my losses. Just one trade. That's all it takes. One good trade. We do break above the triangle here, and we're hitting yesterday's high, or yesterday's close again. Breaking it above it now. Okay, clearly breaking above it. So some will consider that a failure, and this is why it's pushing up so strong. But I didn't take it because it wasn't a magenta. If it was magenta, I would have considered it, but I would like it if I know there's scalpers still stuck in there. And scalpers are all out, right? Made an absolute scalp. And when you're on the 10K chart and you look like this, you're continually using the 20 EMA as support. Typically pretty strong uptrend. You could consider this a break of trend here to new highs, but oh, we actually trap. Oh, never mind. I thought we trapped on the 5-minute. Huh. Okay. Just watching here. Failed breakout of this triangle, coming back into our triangle here.
10,000 tick second entry.
Just watching. Don't have much setups here. Don't have many setups. Oliver Kai says, Panda, is not you, it is volatility. No, it's me. I would like to blame volatility, but I would say 100% it was me, my performance. I admit I took some bad trades. When I look back, I mean, I don't have to look back. I just know they're bad trades. And, you know, sometimes it's better just to panda up and just admit it and move on and learn from your mistakes. I'm down 1,700, but that is seriously nothing, pandas. That is nothing. It is truly a drop in the bucket. A little drip. A little scratch. That's right. George Salt asks, the Discord, are they both NQ and ES? Mostly ES. Some people do trade the NQ, so we're thinking about creating a separate channel for the NQ setups. I just don't know how to set it up. I trade only the ES, so you know where my vote is. We have a failed breakout here, and probably looking for a failed breakdown now of some sorts. No setups though, so we're just watching this go without us. Just watching here, pandas. Just watching. We might be stuck here for a while. Looking at the 5-minute chart, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 overlapping bars in a row. 10K chart is a little more space on 10K, clearly above the 20 MA here. Just watching this, there's nothing, I couldn't even enter this trade. Break a trend to new high, perhaps. So we're thinking downtrend now, And if we do get a little small pullback, we're looking for one more new low. Coming from the top of the trading range back to the bottom of the trading range here. You can see with the trading range indicator. Making a beeline straight to it. And this could be a double top here, right? It's a high double top, but it is a double top currently. Could also be considered failed breakout of the triangle to failed breakdown of the triangle, coming back up and might make its way back up. $10,000 tick, 20 EMA. Starting to lose it a little bit. Just sitting my paws though. I got nothing here. Just watching, pandas. No setups for us. Down 1,700. Big pain. It's all good, pandas. Stick to the plan. See, if I just stuck to the plan. See, I'm just trying to show you guys. If you don't stick to the plan, guys, you lose $1,700. That's what happens. Man, I made mistakes. I definitely made mistakes. Mistakes were made. Top of the trading range to the bottom of the trading range. There is no indicator as accurate as that. The double top here. Interesting. Can't go long here. Cannot go long here. $10K also hitting the bottom of the trading range on 10K chart. Does scalp out right there, but you're looking for break a trend to new low, pandas, before going long. This would be our first break of trend here on this micro trend. Looking for a new low. Pandas, my pandas. Looking for that new low. If we're in the bottom of trading range, I'm not looking to go short actually. I'm not actually looking to go short here. I'm actually looking for a setup to go long. But there's no setups. No setups. I took some of my risky trades over here, but now these risky trades are all working out. Like all these risky trades are working out. Name of the game, right? Once they scare you, spook you out of taking risky trades, then these risky trades start actually working out. Name of the game, pandas. I would say this little congestion here, though, could be a ledge, right? We could find ourselves coming back to this area, up and down it, because of so many hits all in the same spot, right here on this purple line. Sitting on my paws. We are in the bottom of a trading range, but we also have a higher low setup here. This setup could be worth taking. But the only reason why is because we have so many red bars in a row. It's kind of hard for me just to go long right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus signal bar is not that great to go long. But this is a higher low second entry setup. And it could be worth taking if you're thinking it's going to come back to the top of this trading range. I'll wait for one more push down here before going long. I'll take it on the H4. Reverse it back up. Back to the top of the trading range. And we'll see what happens, pandas. It does trap out here. It does trap those traders. Makes a new low here. Looking to fade this breakdown of this trading range. And I'm going to swing it. I'm going to swing my core position at least 2 times risk reward of... Technically, I should be in this trade already. I don't like that reaction. Terrible reaction. In this trade. Oh, gotta move that. Let's do 2 times risk reward here. 2 times risk reward on the core position. And then we'll see if we can run it up to the top of the trading range. And this is I'm trying to fade the breakdown of this trading range. And I might get hit here, but in my opinion, the trading range seems pretty strong here. So we'll fade it. And that's a H4 setup as well. And if I get hit, pandas, I mean, the biggest harm is that I'm going to end the stream red. But rest assured, if you stick to the plan, you'll end the day green. Even though the stream is red, you know, if you stick to the plan, you'll end the day green. You'll end the day profitable. So it ends up hitting me here. I'll try to take that. I'm gonna fade this again, pandas. Sorry, I gotta fade it again. And I know it's a big loss, but I'm gonna fade this again because of this failed H5 here. And we'll take the hit again, pandas. And after that, I'm going to end the stream because it's too much pain. All right, taking this again. And this is my last trade of the stream. Win or lose. I'm going to take it again because of the failed H5. Trying to fade this breakdown here. And yeah, let's see what happens. I could be reading this completely wrong. We could be in a strong downtrend now. If this stops me out, I'm thinking strong downtrend now. Oh man, pandas, 3K loss. Pandas. We're gonna have to take a step back here. We're gonna have to reassess the situation here. Oh boy, pandas. Ouch. What can I say? What can I say? It is what it is, pandas, and we'll take the hit. But pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday. We're gonna end the stream here, and yeah, trade safe, everyone. Happy trading. God bless. I'll see you guys soon.